Hi. Hello. I'm Emma. This is awkward. No one comes to the mall, and I'm at the mall, and I'm only visiting for a short while. Why don't you just come to the mall? I should turn that off because I forgot my charger. Pretty. Oh my god, this is pissing me off. No one's here. I want to say hi to people. Oh, she just sneezed. Bless you. Your face. Oh my god, that would be funny. Let's do it again. No one comes here. Why not? Come. Come. It's already saved. Don't you like my phone? It's got pretty stars. What? Alex? I think we have to go.
There's a plug to the left, in the wall. Yeah. Right there by the bench.
Well, we're gonna go now.